I-ANC ibuqedile ubudlelwano bayo noLukhele ekukholakala bona usekudingisweni lapha eSouth Africa. Bekalunga elipheleleko lehlangano leyo kufikela mhlapha nje. Indaba eveleleko yokuthi ubengakafanele ukuthi abe nobulunga be-ANC ngombana angasingewona le kubangele bona i-ANC ihlole wonke amalunga wayo.
He didn't indicate that he is a non-South African, so that the ANC can also advise him to go to the national and apply for a membership before a branch can accept him. We are deeply concerned by the conduct of these comrades.
Ngokunjalo ne-University eMpumalanga iqindelise isivumelwano sayo noLukhele yamvalisa nendawo yokuhlala kiyo.
The university has got one of its values, the value of integrity, meaning if anything that is untoward happens, we cannot associate ourselves with that. It has reputational challenges, so we definitely had to cancel that agreement.
Umkhandlu ojamele abafundi ubuka isiqundo se-university.
Positive actions that were taken by the school by deaccrediting that facility was good, because after all that thing happened, like students were busy texting us saying that we are no longer safe.
uLukhele kunye nababili asolwa nabo balindeleke ukubuyela kule khotho ngomhla we-9 kuMgwengwe njengombana nephenyo lamapholisa lisaraga.